Hi and welcome to this Die Designer video tutorial. For this video we will be looking at, up in the development menu, scroll down to Form Springback Development or OB from the command line, and it brings up your Springback Development dialog box. We have a number of different items in here. I'm going to run you through all of those, but I'll start with the help. Click help and it brings up a nice little description of some of our options, the command line, the menu location, some notes, and then some special notes. Also have a video demonstration button where you can watch this video again to see the procedures used. So yeah, before I begin, I am going to come down here. This is a finished profile, and then the unbending procedure all the way to a flat blank, and that was done with the form profile development. So we're going to add some spring back to these bends, and to do that I am going to copy the bend profiles over. So this would be, part size, what we need part size after spring back. So we're going to do our spring back here, and this is ideally what it had come to the part size after the overbend hit. So form spring back in development, OB. First thing, before I run you through all these other options, I am going to select an outside radius. And once I do that, the data window here gets populated. We got a 030 inside radius. It's a 60-degree bend. We have our material thickness and our automatic K factor of T divided by 3 and our developed length of 042 6/10. Now, based on that data, we can change. We have a few methods of overbending. We can change by the bend by degrees, by a percentage, or by a new inside radius. Now, when the degrees method is selected, you'll notice we can edit our degrees to what we want. So if I change this to 10, our percentage is going to change, and our new inside radius is going to change. Okay? If we want to change by a percentage, then we can edit the percentage data. And let's say only 10%. So you've got a new inside radius, a new amount of degrees, or we can just change by the radius itself. So it's 026.3. Let's make it 020. It'll show a lot of overbend. Yeah, we're at like 19.5 degrees of overbend, over 32%. So anyways, but what this does is it gives you a feel for, based on whichever one of these parameters you're using, what the percentage is, what the degrees is, and you can kind of tune it in, and it helps you determine. So we're going to just do this by degrees, and we're going to go with 15 degrees, probably way more than you would, but I just want you to be able to see the movement on this. So I'll click OK. And if you look down at the command line, we're looking for select a fixed point. Well, the fixed point is, in this case, is going to be what the part would be on die level, which is this plane right here. So I'm going to click the top end point of this outside radius. And as soon as I do that, you could see it adjusted for the overbend. So yeah, our first bend's overbend. When I would draw this in with the formers and all that into a cross section, I would normally bring back our form with the spring back, so you could see the spring back coming into it. Maybe do a little cleanup. So this is what we're forming it at. This is what we're anticipating it to come back, which would be print dimensions. For our next bend, we'll do the same thing. OB, select the outside radius, click OK, and we will accept this fixed point. And yeah, it kicks it up, and there you go. When I took this profile and started drawing the cross section in with the forms, I would probably take this just as a very nice visual aid and copy that in there. Erase, trim. So now you can see what our hard form is going to do, and this is what we expect it to spring back to. So yeah, pretty simple, but intuitive and quick and accurate. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.